Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a really interesting radio from Jeff's collection. You won't believe this radio. I mean, this brings back memories from decades ago. This is CBS-Columbia portable. It's battery and AC. I've got it connected to the AC because the batteries are no good anymore, and you will see why in a few seconds if I don't break my camera. So let's get this out of the way. I couldn't find a cheat sheet on this one. He usually makes up a little description of each radio. I couldn't find one. I found a couple. I thought it was this, but they said pocket radios. This ain't any pocket radio. This is heavy. Oh, it's heavy. It probably weighs, I would say, 10 pounds at least. And I want to try to show you why. Very carefully show you why. I got the back open. It's a little tricky, but if you're very careful, it's okay. Pops open, and it's hinged. And then in the back, oh, you can see it's a tube radio. It's a 5-tube radio. And it uses these old, strange shaped batteries. And they're also strange voltages. I don't remember the voltages. Jeff told me, and maybe it says on this little thing in here. No. Shows a picture of everything, but it doesn't. It says an Eveready number 717. It's called an A battery. Now I remember they were called an A battery and a B battery. I don't remember the voltages. So this thing, and it's in perfect condition if I don't break anything. Let me carefully, let's see, get this lined up. Stand by, let me take my time. Oop, kick the camera, show's over. Get it lined up. There we go. It's closed up now. Oh, this thing is heavy. It's a monster. Now let me put the camera back where it belongs. AM only, 5 transistor. I mean, not 5 transistors, 5 tubes. And now I do have a note from Jeff about an Admiral, which is a 5-tube table radio. But this is not. This doesn't say Admiral on it anywhere. It says CBS-Columbia. I haven't done any research, so I don't know anything more specific about it. This is not closed. Okay, come on. Not quite closed. There we go. I had to line it up there. Snapped in place. Over here, we have the on-off volume. Here we have the tuning dial. And we're going to try it. I'll kick the camera again. It's a long reach from me because it's so big I have to be back pretty far. So I got it on AC. And we got a lot of noise. And we'll see if we can pick it. Probably wants to face that way. Try it that way. Big speaker. No, it's okay either way.
We're a victim of accidents, tragedies.
I'm not picking up too much. Let me go back. Let me go all the way down the band. All the way down.
Wherever you get your pot.
There we go. Now, we're at the beginning of the band. 550 kilohertz. Now you got to get off music. Nice and clear there. Someday I'm going to have to look up and see where the Spanish stations are. They come in really strong. Probably in the Tampa Bay area.
This is for the game. Janus. Confident about a certain deck. What's the map? You're at 20% boletos. La miro vale.
Okay, that's top of the band. This thing is a beast. Those two batteries, they are heavy. And plus, it's got that metal chassis and 5 tubes. This is a tube radio, and like I say, he had a new power cord put on it, so that's not the original power cord. I don't have, like I say, any notes, so I don't know anything more about it. If you know more about this radio and the vintage and who made it, again, it's CBS-Columbia. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Jeff, for loaning me these radios. And have a great day. Bye-bye.